Hello and welcome to b.empowered, a podcast series that is provided to you by BioLabs. We are recording live here at Bio 2024 in San Diego, and today I have the pleasure of welcoming Ramesh from Spectral Therapeutics. Hello Ramesh, and thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you so much as well. And thank you, BioLabs, too.
Maybe we can start with a short introduction on yourself, your background, and what does Spectral Therapeutics do?
Absolutely. So I graduated from Singapore from a lab that has been very translational. And that motivated me to do translational sciences always. And then I moved to Yale to do my second postdoc. To understand how cells communicate with each other, single cells especially. Just like us humans, how we communicate via speech,
Yeah.
I wanted to see how do cells communicate with each other. And then I was recruited by Illumina to be part of their advanced research group to build single-cell multi-omic platforms. Following that, founded my first company, co-founded it with a few others. This was in the drug discovery space, miniaturizing drug discovery and enabling faster molecular screens using DNA encoding as a strategy. And following that, stepped out of 1859 a year ago to found Spectral Therapeutics. And Spectral Therapeutics is all about enabling light-speed molecular discovery. And this was purely out of a thought where you could bring sci-fi to reality. Right?
Oh, really?
So I'd never expected that we would have ironed out a fantastic path to creating molecular screens rapidly and precisely as possible. And Spectral Therapeutics has that ironed out right now. And we are working towards enabling that at the moment.
Okay, and how far along are you? What kind of milestones did you reach already?
So we've got very good initial proof of concept experiments. And this is for the first time we've actually beaten the multiplexing limits of on-bead multiplexing. Right? I personally call it spectral hyperplexing because we are able to generate a few trillion barcodes on beads. And we are able to build compounds, be it small molecules or peptides or oligos, anything that you could build combinatorially, right, on beads, and then screen them at around a few million molecules in under 5 minutes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
All right. And so you mentioned that you wanted to make sci-fi a reality, right? I guess everyone sees in AI, the power of bringing sci-fi to reality for sure, but it also comes with great challenges. Could you maybe highlight for us the challenges that you see in implementing AI in drug discovery?
Absolutely. So at Spectral, we are building AI's best buddy, that is generating massive data sets. Like I told you, the screens that we could implement at Spectral is being able to screen a few million compounds in under 5 minutes, which means that the data that we get through this process, both positives as well as negative quantifiable data sets for the entire library, molecular library that you screen for, is all going to feed into the deep learning models that we could build, bolster them really well to be giving you or giving all of us better validation rates.
Okay. All right. And you are the founder of your second company already.
That's right.
That's already very impressive. Could you maybe tell us what kind of advice could you give to fellow entrepreneurs, right, to when they get started with their company and when they look forward to growing it like you did?
Absolutely. So to begin with, starting a company is not easy. And first of all, know your ground. Know what your market is. Know what your product is. Get the right product market fit. You don't necessarily have to get it right for the first time to begin with, but then you'll learn how to get it right along the way. And at the same time, be passionate, right? Like go behind what you're extremely passionate about, right? And you will always find the light at the end of the tunnel, no matter wherever you are, right? In the darkest moments.
And you chose to join BioLabs, right? You're a BioLabs resident here in San Diego.
That's right.
Can you maybe explain to us why you picked BioLabs and What has been your experience there so far?
So I'm a person who always follows energies. BioLabs has a fantastic, BioLabs San Diego especially, I've been to BioLabs, currently a resident. It has fantastic lighting all around, transparent walls, and that pulled me in. And not only that, the equipments, the collection of equipments that BioLabs currently has is very useful for us at Spectral, especially the flow cytometers that are in use. We use that heavily day in and out. And also the community, the people, the folks who are in BioLabs currently, all the residents, they have great amount of energy that they carry as well, which pulled us to be part of BioLabs.
Well, great. It's great to have that feedback.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, Ramesh, for joining us today. It was
Thank you.
great talking to you. We look forward to see the developments of spectral therapeutics. I'm very much hoping to see how you're going to make sci-fi a reality.
Thank you so much.